Hi there, nice to meet you. I'm Yubisaki. In this video, I will be showing you how I change my nail at home while chatting about my thought, kind of like a radio show. Since this is the first episode, I will be introducing myself and sharing the purpose of this video. I'm still new to filming, editing, and speaking in English, but I hope to improve over time. My name, Yubisaki, is just a handle, and my real name is on Instagram. In Japanese, it means fingertips. I'm a Japanese woman in my 30s, married to a French guy, and we're currently living in Sweden. I started making this video because I wanted to do nail with someone. I thought it would be fun to chat and do nails together, or even just hang out with friends who love nails. When I'm doing my nail, I often listen to YouTube videos, but since my eyes are focused on my hand, I cannot really watch the screen. That's why I thought a radio style format would be perfect, where you can listen without needing to watch. So I have separated the visuals and audio, making sure you can follow along just by listening. I haven't decided yet if I will make detailed nail tutorial in the future. In this video, I haven't included the step-by-step instruction, but I will try to keep things simple so you can understand what I'm doing. Now, back to me. Uh, the reason we are living in Sweden is because of my husband's job. He changes job every few years, so we have lived in United States, in France, Finland, and now in Sweden. We are not sure where we will end up next. One of the best things that happened during our time or moving around was that I got chance to work as a nail tech in Finland. While painting gel polish for clients, I found myself thinking, for simple one color nails or basic nail art, my client could easily do this maybe themselves. It's funny to think that as a nail tech, but that's how I felt. So, what do you think is the most important things when doing your nails? For me, it's keeping gel off your skin. That's really it. If the gel accidentally touches your skin, it's important to wipe it off quickly. And of course, it's best to prepare so that the gel doesn't touch your skin in the first place. But those are the basic. It's pretty simple, right? The things that most people think are important, like putting neatly or making sure your nail lasts for 3 weeks, are honestly things that you will get the hang of after few tries. Just a matter of getting used to the consistency and the movement of gel. plus, in general, once you can do things yourself, you gain so much freedom. For example, if you learn how to work with Builder Gel, you can decide the shape and length of your nail pretty much however you want. Your own nails become something you can control. And nowadays, you can get the materials you need online, like from Amazon, and they are not that so expensive. I started out just loving nail without any special talent. I have just passion. And because I loved it, I kept practicing and getting used to working with gel until I was ready to take it on as a job. That's all there is to do. So, what I want to tell you is that you can create a beautiful gel nail on your own nail with your own work. Let's do gel nail at home with me. Thank you for watching.